Oh. This is JC on the left and Forrest on the right. See this weird kid? He's wearing gloves but a t-shirt, you know. And now see me, I'm completely covered in stuff, you know.
You're wearing jeans though.
Yeah, and see, there are my gloves. And JC's comment is to be, I'm wearing jeans, you know. Can you see this? Actually, hey Germany, see, we can even see planes. We can almost read where they are from. Where is it? I can't figure it. Where is it?
Right under it.
We are right under it.
You can read.
And see, JC just said you can read what's going on up there. You know, it's pretty cold up here. And this thing is called Suicide Peak, friends, in Germany.
That one.
Yeah, okay guys, so we're going there. Don't stop laughing, man. Well, this is called Suicide Peak, which is in German like die Selbstmordspitze. So, guys in Germany, you know what I'm doing.